Regional banks closing down more than 1% today and underperforming the broader markets this year as potential headwinds from lower rates have weighed on the sector. Joining us now for a CNBC exclusive interview, Bruce Van Saun, Citizens Financial Chairman and CEO. Also, congratulations, 5 years since your IPO.
Yeah, it's great. It's been a great journey for 5 years, gone by like a blink of an eye.
I want to start on the US consumer, if we can. Some consumer confidence data out this morning, which was a negative surprise to some. Are you seeing similar softer data there?
No, we're not. So I think those readings bounce around, but fundamentally the consumer's in great shape. You have record low unemployment, you've got real wage growth. So I think the consumer still feels confident and is borrowing money and using low rates to refinance some of their higher cost debt.
What about the broader economy? Are there pockets of weakness you're concerned about?
No, I'd say, look, the economy still overall feels pretty good. I'd say the middle market businesses, the businessman is stepping back a little bit, being a little more circumspect, waiting to see how the trade tension plays out. So maybe a little less capital expenditure and investment. But overall, again, same phenomena there as well. You've got some of the price sensitive pools of money like LBO firms and commercial real estate developers taking advantage of the lower rates and putting money into the market.
How are those lower rates affecting you?
Yeah, well, I think most banks are fundamentally asset sensitive, so they benefit when rates rise. They have more challenges when rates go down. What we've tried to do is really focus on the cost of our deposits and starting to move those down reasonably aggressively, because all of our commercial loan book, which is tied to LIBOR, is repricing right away. I think we'll have a few headwinds last quarter. They'll continue into this quarter as the Fed is in a reduction cycle. Fortunately, we have diversification in our revenues. Our mortgage business is on fire, so we're generating significant fee revenues around the refi wave in mortgage. And so you kind of have to look at the puts and takes on the overall P&L. But I think our revenue picture overall will be fine.
Bruce, thanks so much for joining us. Congrats again on 5 years since the IPO.
Okay, my pleasure.